Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. That would not be there. Good for the bushes though. It's just going to catch the light. They might go down and have a quick look.
I feel like crying.
This counts for nothing.